Friends, thank you so much for stopping back in. I pray you have a blessed day. This is week number 6. This is our cleaning to a better me, our kitchen collaboration. And friends, I clean my counter, my coffee station, and I pray you stay tuned to watch this video and get some inspiration. Now, I want to just take time to share with you my clutter spot. As my kitchen island is my drop spot, and a few other areas I have to break that habit, guys. I'm always making a mess, and on the side of my floor I have some clutter spots I just want to share with you on today. Friends, this is an open collaboration for our kitchen cleaning, and it's a 16 weeks challenge. And my co-host is Melissa for the Buckeye Reef Girls and Things, and Miss Anna from the Grace DIY channel. Friends, please go back and watch their channels, and anyone else that's connected with us, there will be a playlist. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. Friends, as I was saying, my kitchen island is my drop spot, so I'm trying to break that habit of cluttering my kitchen counters and even things on the floor. So here you see me just putting things away. Now, when I did this week cleaning, it was at night, so some of the lighting might be a little bit off. So friends, what is your clutter spots? What is some of your things, your drop off spot that we just drop things off when we come in the door? As soon as I come in the door, I drop everything on the kitchen counter. So I'm working on just keeping things clean. Friends, I'm telling you, you have to work on it. We got to break those bad habits. They say it takes over 13 days or 21 days to break bad habits. So we got to keep our home clean. Our home is our castle. So here I'm just cleaning and putting things away. I'm going to get rid of this candle warmer because to be honest with you guys, it's kind of messy. So I'm just putting that in a declutter box. So because while I'm doing this, I got a declutter box of things I'm decluttering, getting rid of things in my home. Love my crock pot, but friends, let me tell you, you're gonna have to really clean that crock pot. That bottle you saw this day in my hand, I was throwing it away because it was my old dish detergent bottle, and I lost the top to it, so I bought some new one. So here I just want to share with you keeping your coffee maker clean. This week, week 6, friends, I do ask you to clean your coffee station if you have one. Because guys, you have to keep it clean. You'll be surprised how much germs is in those coffee machines. And if you use it regular, you got to clean this thing. You have to sanitize it. And I'm using vinegar because it can cleanse through it. And I'm going to run the system and just spray it down with some vinegar. Friends, my husband's cousin had one of these, and I don't know how this happened, but somehow she got little worms growing in her coffee maker. So ever since I heard that, I always try to keep it clean. You're going to have to sanitize it. You'll be surprised with all kind of stuff is hidden. And I kept rinsing it and I put hot water in it, guys. And I'm telling you, rinse it till it come clean. And what I'm spraying now is just vinegar and water. Hope y'all doing this, guys. I hope this helped you today.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own, I speak, it don't make sense now.
So I want to shout out Miss Courtney Anthea's Adventures channel, because she always encouraged me and she always be with us on this cleaning collab. And I'm not saying you're going to have to be with us on everything, but I hope that you guys can jump in. Guys, I got 10 more weeks of this, so I'm going to be shouting out some more channels because other people have joined with us, and I'm going to shout out their channels. I appreciate it. I thank you. Guys, it's good to have some good friends on YouTube. And guys, I appreciate each one of you taking time, commenting, and following us on this cleaning channel. I hope y'all be blessed because it is really blessed and encouraging me. Thank you so much.
You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
Friends, I'm just taking time cleaning my canisters. And friends, I'm telling you, I didn't think this was going to take me long, but it took me a while. But when you really deep clean and not just wiping things down, it takes a while. So I'm just going through everything on my coffee station because I had to change out the charger plate I had back there because being that it's a dark place, I just like to keep things white. And one thing about me with the coffee station, I don't like too much stuff on it. I just like the basic stuff unless I'm doing a little small decoration for the holidays or what season. But mainly, guys, every day I just keep the norm. And as y'all saw in the beginning, I made me a little coffee sign because we are pastors and ministers, and we are prayer warriors. We do intercessory prayer. And I'm telling you, before that coffee, we be praying. But I'm not hating on you if you got to get some coffee to get started up. But first Jesus, then maybe coffee. So friends, keep on praying for one another because prayer is needed in the earth. Telling you, friends, I'm so glad things is looking so much better. Now, let me update something on the 16 weeks challenge. Now, next week, I'm going to switch some things around. I'm going to move week 7 to the last end or almost because I don't want to do the walls on the floor until we're about finished. So I had to change some things. So next week, guys, week 7 is going to be your kitchen island. And if you do not have a kitchen island to clean, guys, all you have to do is just clean something in your kitchen if you want to be a part of this collab or just give us a kitchen hack cleaning. That's all. So, because, I know everybody don't have the same things in their kitchens. So some people don't even have a dishwasher. So that's fine. But as long as you do something in the kitchen, you can jump right on in. Guys, I'm so easy to please. I'm not fussy at all. Trust me, I'm not fussy. So I thank everyone for participating.
Listen to me as I say.
Friends, don't let nobody fool you. The kitchen sink need a thoroughly cleaning. I'm telling you, guys, around the back of the sink, around the knobs of the sink, in the sink. Guys, you got to get this thing clean and get all the nastiness. I'm telling you, you'll be surprised how much grime you find in the back of the sink. And I'm telling you, this has to be at least done. This has to be a part of your weekly chore. And every time you clean it, just wiping it down to keep it up. Because I'm not planning on going back and work so hard. So I am going to keep everything up because my husband told me the next morning, because I did this at night, he went to bed, he said, wow, the kitchen looks so much better. This the best it's ever looked. So when you put your elbow in it, when you really do it, guys, you're going to see the results. So I'm telling you, I'm going to do a tour on the final video of my kitchen, everything I have improved. So I'm telling you guys, I am just looking forward because It's not an easy task, but I thank God that we are doing this together. So I thank y'all so much for motivating me, and I hope that it motivates you. Guys, I'm pouring some bleach in the sink because bleach to me really kills germs, and I poured some down the sink. At first I used vinegar, then I said, nah, I need a little bit of bleach. Sometimes you're going to have to go old school, guys, and use some bleach. Friends, if you can, make sure you use these sink covers to go in your sink. I got them from the Dollar Tree. They're only $1. They got different colors, but I like the black ones. And once y'all clean your sink, make sure you take paper towel to dry the water out of it, okay? I decided, guys, just to go ahead and remove this. Since Valentine is over, I wasn't going to touch it. I was like, nah, might as well go ahead and just move it out the way. I want to thank all my friends and followers for all their support and love. Thank you. I truly appreciate it. God bless you. To all my new subscribers, welcome. I thank God for you, and I hope that you stay connected. Friends, this is the reveal. Now, next week, week 7, we will be doing the kitchen island. Guys, I love you. Have a blessed week from Penny. Bye-bye.